Welcome back to Add Art. In today's tutorial, we'll be drawing a Komodo Dragon, which was requested by my friend Ross's daughter Stevie. Now, before we do, just a quick reminder to subscribe to Add Art and hit the bell, so you'll always be the first to be alerted when I've released a new drawing like this one. But let's make a start on this amazing reptile. First we'll begin with the Komodo Dragon's eye. Put a pupil in, looking down at its hatchling. Just bring the edge of its eyebrow in there. And they have these flat heads, so bring that down to a rounded snout. Let's put a smile in to hold its 60 serrated teeth. Nostril, the edge of its nose, and bring its powerful jaw across here. And they eat dead animals, deer, water buffalo, pigs, and each other, and occasionally humans. Let's put these creases of its mouth in, and then extend its long scaly body. It can reach 10 feet in length apparently. Curl its tail round, put the top of the tail reaching to a point, and come to the middle of it and bring it round. Continue extending that towards the body. And just stop there and put the first leg in. They have these bowed legs. Although they can sprint really fast, they're not very good at running long distances. Put the claws in. Claw in there, and one final one, the fifth one, at the back. Just have that leg underneath there. Now let's extend its body towards its front legs. They actually have quite an ungainly way of walking. They sort of waddle because of these bowed legs, but they can actually run very fast. Put some more claws in. Bring that down. Have the last one at the back there. Let's have some of these folds of skin drooping down around its neck. Continue that down to its belly. Some more folds. Let's add some scales here on its body. And apparently they can weigh up to 300 pounds, and they're the heaviest lizard on the planet. Put some markings on its tail. Just have that other front foot poking out from behind. Now let's have a hatchling emerging from an egg, looking up at its mother. Continue its neck down. Bring that down. And have the broken egg shell poking up there. And female Komodos can lay up to 30 eggs, so let's put some more in here, some brothers and sisters for this one that's just broken free. And they'll guard these eggs for several months, and once the hatchlings have left the egg, young dragons will stay in trees to avoid predators, such as other Komodo dragons. and those that do survive can live up to 30 years. Now you can choose to draw 30 eggs, but obviously I haven't got time to do that today, so we'll just keep it at that many. And let's put in a tongue here. Of this yellow tongue that's constantly flicking in and out. Scientists believe they've been around for millions of years, but they were only discovered 100 years ago. Now let's put the edge of the horizon in here with some grass sticking up. And wild Komodo dragons are only found on Indonesia's Lesser Sunda Islands. And they rely on camouflage and hide in this tall grass, waiting for their prey, and then they pounce with their sharp claws and teeth. Okay, let's have some of these islands in the background. We'll just step these down each time. Have them reaching down into the sea. Have some foliage along the base here. Some more there, just a little bit higher to give a sense of perspective. Continue the horizon across there. We'll put another island in the back here. And although they're not venomous, they have deadly saliva that's full of bacteria, and after one bite, usually within 24 hours, their victims die. And the Komodo dragon has a very good sense of smell, and they slowly track their quarry over many miles before eating them. Let's put some of this sunlight glistening on the waves. And apparently once they do start eating, they can eat up to 80% of their own body weight in one sitting. And they usually dig these holes where they stay during the night, so we draw that in. And there we have it. A Komodo dragon and hatchling emerging from its egg. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with that one today. Good suggestion, Stevie. Now, before I go, just a reminder to check out all the other art tutorials like these on my channel. You can do this by clicking on my double pencil profile picture. Also, if you like this video, do please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps my channel grow. Finally, if you know someone who loves to draw, why not share art with them and draw together? But that's it for today, and I hope to draw along with you again soon on Art. Bye for now.